You should now have a web server installed that can process PHP code, and you should know where the PHP files it will process reside on your computer. I'd say we're making great strides. Let's wrap up this stage by putting that server to work, processing your very first PHP file. Open up your browser to our test.php file on your local server. Also, find your htdocs directory and open up the test.php file there in a text editor. You should see the name of our website that we typed last time. Let's expand this now and start building the homepage for our t-shirt store. Remember, PHP generates HTML, so we'll want to start our PHP file the same way we would start a new HTML file. Now let's add a little server-side code here. Remember how we use the date function to display the current time? We can use it here to display the current year. This will keep our copyright statement from getting out of date. Start your PHP code with an opening PHP tag. We'll use the echo command again to write out a piece of text. We'll use PHP's date function again to generate that text, asking it to display the year of the current date. We follow that PHP command with a semicolon, a space, and then the closing PHP tag. Anything inside the PHP tags will get treated by the server as PHP code and will get executed before the file gets sent to the browser. Let's save this page and switch over to the browser. Refresh the page and you'll see our new heading and paragraph in place. Once again, if you view the source of this page, you'll notice that none of the PHP code shows up. All the PHP code got executed on the server to generate the final HTML that got sent to your browser. I'd say we've covered enough for you to be dangerous. Well done. I have a quiz for you, just to make sure you have a good handle on these core concepts. After that, we'll be ready to start building out our t-shirt store in the next stage.